my hair right now. I don't know what's going on. Okay, we are going on another trip, so let's pack. I'm gonna be traveling to Sapa, which is in the north of Vietnam. I've never been to the north, which doesn't make any sense. I'm Vietnamese. Vietnam is kind of a small country. Why haven't I been to the north yet? Literally all of our most beautiful natural landscapes are like in the north. So I'm very, very excited. This is also kind of like my birthday trip. My birthday was in the 13th, but I wanted to spend time with my family and my friends here, so I'm gonna go tomorrow. And it's gonna be a little bit different as well, because this year pretty much all of my trips are to the beach, and I still love the beach, you know, but I just want something different. I really want to kind of experience like a fall winter vibe for the first time. I don't know why, like I'm just really in the Christmas spirit this year. So I want to go up to the mountains, stay in like a nice cozy little cabin, and kind of just relax, enjoy my mid-20s, which is another thing that is kind of scary. I'm in my mid-20s. I'm no longer in my early 20s. I feel like I was just 19 yesterday, and now I'm in my mid-20s. I cannot shut up about it. I'm in my mid-20s. Also, it's gonna be quite cold for me, which is an opportunity to style some fall winter outfits as well. It's gonna be around 17 degrees Celsius in the daytime, and it could get to 12 degrees Celsius at nighttime, which is not that cold like compared to winter everywhere else. But for a Vietnamese person who has been sweating my entire life, it's really cold for me. I can't really handle cold weather I can't really handle cold weather that well. I can't really speak today. I'm kind of jumpy because I had like a huge coffee, and I'm also very excited for tomorrow. It's gonna be really cold for me, and I'm kind of scared, but I'm literally like, look at the shit that I'm bringing. I'm packing like I'm going on like a ski trip in the snow, and it's literally not gonna be that cold. I'm like, look at the shit that I got. I got the H&M fur boots, and I got like all of these like fur hats. But yeah, let's look through my checklist, check off everything, and then we're gonna try on some cute outfits. We're gonna put together, I don't know, I've just been like obsessed with the whole ski trip look. To look at my laptop because I'm filming with my phone and I need to check my notes. Okay, so for clothing, this is my list. I'm gonna gather all the things. Earmuffs, fur hat, let me obsess, and then it's gonna match with my H&M boots. So for jacket, I have this new one from Source Unknown store, and it's so fucking cute. We're gonna bring that, and I also just got like a simple black puffer jacket. This is just gonna go with everything. I'm probably gonna wear this to the airport. Leg warmers, this is essential. Wow, what a great angle. I'm the best YouTuber ever. I just need to pick out a few things. Oh my god, I just stepped on the bag. Do I want to bring this jacket? It kind of go with the black. It's giving black pink, which is one of my favorite color combinations. I'll think about it. Kind of don't know what to bring. I'm gonna just take like a little mini skirt because it's easy to style with everything. I need to bring a long dress. Okay, someone's calling me. I'm gonna need to bring a long dress. It's just essential. I can't go on a trip without bringing a long dress, you know. But why do I need it on the mountains? I don't know. Okay, basic white dress. I feel like I'm kind of going through a crisis right now. I'm gonna bring a few pair of parachute pants and just my little turtleneck, my little knit sweater. I love this. I brought this with me on another trip and it was so cozy. I literally wore it for like 3 days straight. What can I take with me? I'm definitely gonna overpack, but I just think it's better to overpack than underpack. Every time I get to the destination, I would have like a mini crisis because I forgot to bring like a top or a certain pair of shoes. So I'm literally gonna like really try to not do that this time. Okay, so this is what we have so far. Our color palette is very dark. I definitely need to bring a pair of boots. I think I'm gonna go with these. My favorite. It needs a bit of a clean. I'm also gonna bring some bikinis because there's a pool there, and I also want to take some cute pics in bikinis as well. I'm just gonna try to bring really neutral colors. Don't even want to look at my pile of bikinis right now. Do I want to bring hot pink? Why not? Red. Maybe I can do some Christmas photo shoot. This is like my favorite bikini, by the way. It's from Fashion Nova and it's literally like my favorite bikini I ever owned. I'm gonna bring this brown one as well. I'm kind of in that stage where I'm literally gonna bring the entire house. I feel so manic today. I don't know if it's because of the coffee, but I seriously cannot shut up. And usually I don't talk that much, you know? I'm kind of like, I don't know. I feel like I'm usually kind of chill, and I'm not chill right now. The coffee is doing something to me. I also need to bring some pajamas, but not for wearing because I don't really need to wear anything when I sleep at the hotel. But I want to take like cute, cozy cabin photos. So I want to bring some like cute, non-practical pajamas. I'm also going to be shooting for IMGA, just like a self photo shoot for the new collection. So I'm going to bring all of those as well. Okay. This is the new pieces. I also just remember I bought packing cubes. I need to drink some water. I'm really feeling crazy right now. Guys, my room is so fucking trash right now. I'm trying to take a thumbnail photo. I think it looks cute, right? But then the rest of the room is like, it's kind of stressing me out, honestly. Now I'm gonna go find my packing cubes and I'm gonna like fold all of this stuff. I'm gonna put everything into these packing cubes because the mess is seriously stressing me out so much. Like, I'm fucking stressed out and I'm hungry. I'm really hungry. I've never used packing cubes before, so I don't know what to do. I think I'm gonna put like all of my bottoms in here. These aren't the best quality. I'm gonna leave these leggings outside because I kind of want to wear it at the airport. I'm not sure. I went from like crazy excitement. They did not. Do you hear that? They did not just start drilling while I'm filming the video. I don't know how to use these. Why are these so fucking flimsy? Like, what is happening? Why is it so like flimsy? Great day to start learning. I just ordered another coffee. I don't know why I'm doing this to myself. Okay, let's try to figure out the outfits. I think to the airport, I'm honestly gonna wear this. Usually I wear kind of revealing clothing to the airport or anywhere, honestly. But I'm gonna be flying to Hanoi and then a 6-hour bus to Sapa. Okay. Maybe this is what I want to wear to the airport. I wasn't feeling the other outfit. Is it giving model of duty? Is it giving Kendall Jenner? Let me put this. Okay guys, I think I found my airport outfit. Wait, this is actually so cute. This is another outfit. Oops. So cute. And I guess if I get too cold, I can just wear my little puffer. Cute. Oh my god. I'm trying so hard to show you the outfit, but isn't this so cute? Okay, let's pack the bag that I'm gonna be taking to the airport. I'm gonna take this bag. You probably see it in a lot of my videos or photos because I always take this bag with me to the airport. It's literally like the perfect shape for the airport. I could bring like a tote bag or something, but I feel like with tote bags, all your things get all mixed up and unorganized, and you always have to like end up looking for things. I don't know, but this has like kind of like a backing here, which makes it really easy to store everything, like super organized. And the puffer material also adds at like a protection for your items as well. So I'm gonna bring my planner. I just have like everything that I need to do every day in super detail, and I'm just trying to be really consistent with it. Literally like every day I wake up, the first thing I do is go look at my planner, plan things out, cross things out. It's so much fun. Also gonna bring a book to read, but also use as props for photos as well. I think it's just perfect because it's kind of neutral, but it's also a really quick read. I don't need to be invested in a long ass story, you know. I have my little pencil case. I don't have a pencil case. This is just what my markers came with, but it's pink and it matched my bag, so I just got like these cute pens. Really cute color combination. And I'm gonna bring baby wipes. A lot of public places can be really dirty, so I just wanna keep myself clean, not get sick. And it's also pink, like it matched my bag. I have band-aids, and then I'm gonna take my camera. This is the little camera bag. My camera is in here, and then I have this little thing. Tomorrow before I leave, I'm gonna put my charger in here, and any sort of cables can all be protected. You know, as soon as you put like chargers and cables into your bag, it's gonna look so messy and it's gonna get stuck on everything. I also have my vlog camera. This is the DJI Pocket 2 camera that I just got. I just have it like protected in this little case. And I have like the accessories for it in here as well. Look at how organized everything is. And then I'm just gonna put like my money, ID, cards and everything in here. Oh my god, I need to go get my nails done tomorrow. My nails look disgusting. Makeup bag in here in the morning, and I think that's it. So I have my laptop case here, and I'm gonna put my hard drive in there, and then I'm gonna put my laptop in here in the morning. I have this little mini tripod that I use for my vlog camera. I'm gonna put it in this bag, and a few cables. Okay, this is the stage of my suitcase right now, and the packing cubes really changed the game for me. I feel like usually I wouldn't be able to fit this much stuff. I just have like a few things laying on top, and this giant dress that I'm not sure if I'm gonna take photos of. I have my bikinis here, everything organized. Bag is so organized as well. Love this. Hello, it's the next morning. I've been feeling kind of bloated today and kind of angry. I feel like my period is coming. I'm just been feeling upset and stressed out, so I just need to grab a couple things and then we'll be all packed. I got up early today and I went and got my nails done. It's really simple. It's just a little glossy layer so it looks clean. Only a few items that I need to cross off my packing list. I have my bag full of skincare and the rest of my makeup. This is just my makeup brushes and stuff that I'm not gonna bring in my carry-on. I'm just gonna put it in this bag and hope for the best. All right, I'm kind of running out of space. Oh, that's a painting of me there. I'm not gonna give any context. Laptop, makeup bag that I'm taking with me, just my essentials. Okay, so this is my carry-on bag. I have everything stacked in there. That completes the bag. Laptop, and then now I have to try and close this suitcase. I hope I'm not gonna damage any of my makeup products. I'm kind of nervous. Alright, we are packed. See you guys in Sapa. Thanks for watching.